Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Audi TT Mk2. First, gather your essential tools: a reliable low-profile hydraulic jack and 4 robust jack stands. Before lifting, always place wheel chocks securely behind the rear wheels and engage the parking brake. This prevents any unwanted movement. Next, identify the factory lift points located on the rocker panels of your vehicle. These are the designated spots for your jack. Now place a jack pad or a thick rubber block on your hydraulic jack to protect the car's lift points from damage. Carefully begin to raise the front of your Audi TT Mk2. Lift it just enough so the front wheels are a few inches clear of the ground. Once lifted, slide your jack stands into position under the sturdy front control arm bushings. Gently lower the car onto the stands, confirming they are stable and secure before proceeding. For the rear, locate the reinforced flat spot on the rear subframe, which is ideal for your hydraulic jack. If that's not accessible, you can use the center cross member, but always with a sturdy 2x2 or 2x4 wood block to distribute the weight. Once the rear is lifted, place your remaining jack stands under the rear subframe mounts or the circular lift points near the rear wheels. Double-check that the car is level and resting firmly on all 4 stands. Before you begin any work, give the car a gentle shake to ensure it's absolutely stable on all 4 jack stands. Remember, safety is paramount. Never work under a vehicle that is only supported by a hydraulic jack. When you're finished, reverse the process. Lift the car slightly with the jack to remove the stands, then slowly and carefully lower the vehicle to the ground. For a fresh interior, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.